I'm entering here. Stop loss at the highs here. I want to see if 137 points. Let me just put the stop loss here in case anything happens. It's, oh shit. I forgot. It's 9:26, so I don't know if we're gonna get manipulation from 9:30 open. So this might have been a bad move. 137 times 0.5. So we're risking $68 right now on this trade to make 195. It's a full 1.4 risk to reward. It's not really a 2-to-1 risk to reward, so it's not that good. We held inside of here. I wish my video rendered quicker so that I could have been in here when I saw this. I probably FOMO'd into this if we're being honest. We tapped the 1 hour once again. So there's a chance that they take it higher here. We have a bearish level there. Let's see if they respect. I'm actually going to keep my stop loss down here so it's not as large. I don't think there's a reason for them to go above these highs if they are to respect it. Ideally, I want to see price respect inside of that zone and target lower prices here if we are to be bearish. We literally have, I think, like 2.5 minutes, 2.5, 3 minutes till market opens at 9:30. So we're risking like 54 points on this trade, and my TP is gonna be here inside of this level. So far so good. I should have probably waited for entry here, but I thought that the wicks here probably meant that they already had tapped into the zone, so I kind of FOMO'd in a little late to the party. We are down like $30, but if this trade pans out, we might make it back. It all depends. $10:30, I'm gonna get off the charts. No more trading for me. That green line is our 1 hour bullish fair value gap. I think that they might want to trade back into there unless they find support within that area. We did tap it already here, but I think we respected the fair value gap and we closed outside of it. The buys of the candles closed under at the low of that fair value gap. That to me indicates that they might be like heavy on the bearishness. So maybe this trade will pan out very nicely for us. We're gonna have to wait and see. I'm actually gonna take out the profit just in case, because if the trade pans out in our favor and 9:30 open is crazy, we are protected. But at least, if it trades lower quickly, maybe we capture some more money. But that all depends. As you guys can see, we're pushing up here, but ideally that's just a wick to then trade lower. This is technically considered a breaker, low, high, lower, low. Right there. So ideally I want to see a close below that. And that's 9:30 open right there. So far so good. I am shifting my stop loss to break even. Let me see where we're at in price here. We're up $24. It's tough. It could manipulate lower and then push higher. Sometimes it's tough making the call to take a profit or not. Shifting my stop loss lower here. Ideally, I want to see price melt pretty quickly, filling in that area, and then push lower here. I shifted my stop loss here already, so we can take profits on this trade in case it reverses against us. Ideally, it pushes lower from here, but if we get stopped out, it's fine. Let's see. Got stopped out there. All right, $61 on this trade, up $31. And this trade was 139 points. Very clean, very clean. And I'm happy. I'm happy with that trade, guys. We'll see what happens here. We are inside of that 1 hour level, so it could reverse or just keep going lower. So we're going to have to wait and see. But I am just going to take my profit here and call it a day because I just think that the market is, I don't know, it's acting up and, well, not acting up because honestly I got 2 good trades, but I'm just not feeling that great in psychology this week, guys. I'm going to be real with you guys. And I want to follow my intuition, follow my emotions, because there's certain weeks where I feel so good. I feel like my energy is top level, and those are the days that I like honestly make some amazing decisions, amazing trades. So I want to trade on those weeks. So this level here is a bearish level right there. Okay. And we'll see how price reacts here. But as you guys can see, we already wicked inside of it. Same thing here. We wicked inside of it, but the body's closed here. Ideally, we want to see the bodies of the candles close outside of it. So if it does, then most likely they're going to target the 19,847 lows. But I think this was just manipulation, and maybe they want to push price higher now. So we're going to have to wait and see, but I think I'm going to call it for today. I want to get off the charts and do something else, enjoy myself, clean my room. So that's it for me today. I'm just happy we were able to catch that loss, and we made $31. Not a lot, I know, but if this was NASDAQ, 139 points. I think we would have made 170. Is it 173? I don't know. Sometimes I get confused doing the math for it because I don't know why. I always forget. I know it's $5 per point, but there's also 4 ticks per point. So then when I do my math, I forget if it's if I should do it times 5. So if I do it times 5, 139 points is 695 points. I think that's what's correct. So in this trade, we would have made over 695 points on NASDAQ if we had traded on MNQ. So just something to keep in mind. This is a challenge account, so I should have probably taken more risks with it because it's not like a funded challenge like I'm doing. But it's whatever. I'm trying to create a system for me to know when I should trade MNQ versus NQ. And I think that since this week, since my mindset hasn't been 100%, maybe the right call was to trade MNQ so that we don't lose our area. We're in spot currently 416th place on my funded futures. It's not, top 10, but I'm happy that I was able to get 52% return already on this account. And look at that, guys. As you guys can see, price just melted lower. They're probably coming for the sell side liquidity here. It's unfortunate that we yeah, maybe I should have left my stop loss. But then you see here, we traded all the way up to here. I think I would have gotten stopped out, because I shifted my stop loss. So I have to trust my stop, my trade. Like maybe if I had put it here at let me see where I enter. Yeah, it's around here. If I had put it here at the highs, we would have still just been risking 74 points, and the trade would have still been going. It is over 365 points as of right now. We are inside of a bullish level. Well, we just traded through a bullish level currently. I think that turns into an inverse fair value gap now. And that's where we're at. We're inside of this order block here. Let's put the 50%. There you go. So we're going to see how price reacts here. We have sell side liquidity in these areas. Maybe they're coming for sell side, but very clean trade here. Even on the entry here, as you guys can see, it just melted lower. If you had missed this first opportunity where I entered, you could have gotten the other one over here. Still, beautiful trade. We caught over 130 points. Beautiful. And that's our 60 handles for today, as ICT instructed. We ended the day positive, and we're just going to keep it at that. I hope you guys have a good trading day. I'm going to get off the charts and actually enjoy my day today. Take care.